Hi all, today we will understand operators in Python. So we are having assignment operator, arithmetic operators, comparison, and the logical operators in Python. We will take one example and try to understand these operators. So first we will understand assignment operator, that is equal to. If we say x equal to 10, so here basically we are assigning 10 to variable x with the help of assignment operator here. So here equal to is nothing but an assignment operator. Now we'll move to the next operator, that is arithmetic operator. Like we are having plus, minus, divide, multiply. These are the arithmetic operators. We will take one example and try to understand this. We will take x equal to, maybe we can take 10, and y equal to, we can take 3, and then we will use print function, and then we will directly apply this operator on this operand. Here operand is basically x and y. Once we will apply, once we will operate that operator, so this x and y we will call basically operand. So we will say like x plus y. So here plus is operator, x and y is operand basically. Now we want to do the same thing for the other operators also. So let me just copy paste this complete line, and then I will modify the operator. So I have copied it. So plus is okay. Now we want minus, then we want multiply, and then we want divide, then percentage we are having, double slash operator we are having, and then multiply we are having. So we want to understand what are these operators actually. Basically plus, minus, multiply, and division. So these four operators we are very much familiar, but this last three operators we need to see actually what are these operators. So let me first execute it and see the output. Based on that we will try to understand it. So it's executing. Now we can see the first one is the plus operator, that is doing basically 10 plus 3, 13 we are getting. Then minus operator we are having, that is doing 10 minus 3, 7 we are getting. Then we are having multiply operator, that will do 10 multiply 3 and 30 we are getting here. Then we are having divide by, so it's a 10 divided by 3, we are getting 3.33. And then we are having this percentage. So this percentage is basically we call like modulus operator, and this will give us a remainder. Remember it. So this modulus operator will give us a remainder. So if we are doing 10 modulus 3, so remainder is basically 1 we will get. And then we are having this double slash. So this operator will give us basically quotient. So if we see this, so here we will see 10 double slash 3, we will get the quotient basically here, that will be 3. It's like 3 multiply 3, 9 will be the we will get the value, right? And then we are having x multiply y. So this will basically give us raised to power. So we can say something like this will be become 10, like something 10 multiply 3. Here what we are trying to say, it's like 10 raised to power 3. It means we can say 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. So it will give us 1000. So this is like exponent kind of thing basically we are having. If we want to calculate the raised to power, so for that also we are having one operator in the Python. So these are the basic arithmetic operators we are having. Next we will move to the comparison operators. So for this also we will take some example like x equal to, maybe I can take some value maybe 16, and then y equal to, we can take some 13, and then simply we will print and try to understand this thing. So first we can take x greater than y. Second, print, we can take x less than y, we can take, and next we can take x equal to y. So it's basically double equal to operator we are having. Then we are taking x not equal to y, and then we can take x greater than equal to y, and then we are having print x less than equal to y. So before getting or before executing this, we need to understand comparison operator will give us two possible values, true and false. So it's like one condition we are checking, 16 greater than 13. So two possibilities are there. It can be true also or false also. So we can say with the comparison operators, we will get two possible values, true or false. No other value we will get here. So let me execute and we will see here. We can see here we are getting like true and false only. No other value we are getting here. So it's very straightforward, like 16 greater than 13. Yes, it is true. So we are getting true. So true is one value here. And remember one more point here. For this true, T is capital and false, F is capital in Python. We need to remember this thing. Now we will check another condition, that is basically, or we can check basically comparisons. 16 less than 13, that is false. Double equal to is basically checking 16 is equal to 13, so that is basically false. So in equal to, we need to understand we are having two, one is single equal to and the one is double equal to. Single equal to is assignment operator, double equal to is the comparison operator. Okay, so don't get confused between the single equal to and the double equal to. Then we are having not equal to, like name is telling basically 16 not equal to 13. So that is true. And then we are having greater than equal to, less than equal to. So this is true and false based on these values. So this like very much we can say these things are basically same like we used to do in the mathematics also, kind of equal to value, less than value, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or equal to, same kind of things. But just remember these are the operators we are having in the Python. Now the last we will see logical operator. Here we can see we are having three kind of operators basically in the logical, and, or, and not we are having. Now again logical means here, like we will understand with one example here. For example, I'm saying x equal to true and y equal to false we are saying here. Now we need to understand here x is equal to true. Here true is one value, boolean value we are giving, or we are assigning that boolean value to the x with the help of assignment operator basically. And false also is one boolean value in Python, where again I'm repeating, we need to remember for the boolean values true or false in Python, T will be capital for true, F will be capital for false here. Now we want to apply these operators. Simply we will use print, and for example x and y I want to say, and we will say print x or y we want to say, and print we want to use not x, and maybe we can say print not y also here. Now if we see this input, it is telling basically, it is checking some conditions. For AND operator, it is must before or after whatever conditions are there, both should be true, then only AND will return true. For or, any conditions between x and y can be true. Any condition is true, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Not is basically, we can say it will change the value. If it is true, it will change it to false. If it is false, it will change it to true. Let me execute it and we will see it. Yes, we can see like last four values basically, we are getting false here because y is false. For the AND, both the conditions before and after AND should be true, then only it will return true. But y is false here, so we are getting false here. X or y, out of this any condition is true, like in this case x is true, so we are getting true, and not X, not Y is changing that value basically. If it is true, it is changing to false. If it is false, it is changing to true. So I think these are the basic operators we should know in the Python programming language. So I again repeat, we are having basically these 4 basic kind of operators, categories we can say: assignment operator, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and the logical operators. I hope I'm clear on this topic and you guys got something on this. So I will come up with more examples and more concepts very soon. Till that time, thank you very much.